day for younger generation, the younger youth. Uh, when this incident has happened, a young boy lost his life. I feel younger generation cannot get totally involved in social media and get carried away that all the news which comes on social media platforms are 100% true or not true. Some people try to make social use of social media for political gain or political reasons. They do videos and they try to show that they are concerned about environment, they are concerned about garbage, concerned about so many other things which are being littered on the roadside. Somebody comes with a truck of uh, unwanted debris. Somebody is putting tiles in their house, the unwanted tiles, the rubbish from the house, they come and dump at the roadside. And whoever is dumping or whoever is the owner, somebody makes a reel on social media and post. It doesn't mean that you should take a drastic step of committing suicide, that you cannot face the world, you cannot face the people, you cannot face your friends. No. If something has happened wrong from your hands, you need to correct it, you need to change it. And you need to set an example for the younger generation or the youth amongst you that okay, this is what wrong I have done, or I was part of this wrongdoing, I'm correcting it. So younger generation will follow you. You need not get just carried away by social media post or somebody commenting against you or somebody talking very much against you on social media that what you have done is something grave, injustice, this, that, and you cannot be forgiven for this. We see garbage in Mapsa littered on daily basis. People from so many places in Bardez just come to Mapsa, dump their waste and go. Because there is no waste collection mechanism over there. You can say Aldona constituencies, Thivi constituencies, there is no waste collection happening over there. So people are just coming to drop their kids for school. येते व्हडली बॅगां भरून हाडटा, कचरो आनी थिंगा उडयता. हायवेचेर उडयता, बाजारा कडेन उडयता, मोड्डार उडयता. हांवें म्हाज्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलें. सो हें करेक्शन करतलो जाल्यार त्या विलेजींनी वेस्ट कलेक्शन करपाची गरज आहा. डिस्पोजल ऑफ द वेस्ट एट द गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट. अशे गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आनीक गोंयांत 2 येवपाची गरज आहा. एक तिसवाडी आनी एक पोंडा तालुका म्हणून ते एरियेच्या लोकांक. पण आयज आमी पळयल्लें आहा की वयता थिंगा आमकां वेस्ट दिसता, वयता थिंगा आमकां गार्बेजाचे हीप दिसता. ज्यो आदी पंचायती बरो गार्बेज कलेक्ट करताले ते आयज करिना. हांव नांवां घेयना पंचायतीची, ते आमचेर बेजार जाता नांवां घेतलेले. पूण एक टायमार बरें कलेक्शन जातालें. आतां कलेक्शन आमच्या वाटेन गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आहा म्हणून आमच्यो पंचायती बरें करता. थोडो आमचे हितून एकूच पंचायत फाटी उरल्या ती आरपोरा, तेंचे कलेक्शन सारकें जायना. Parra is doing a great collection, Kalamudi is doing a great collection, Kardalim is doing a great collection, Arpora partly is doing, 100% जायना. वॉर्ड मेंबरांनी इंटरेस्ट दिवपाचो गरज आहा. तितून लायक मायंडेड पीपल, तितून कमिटीज काडपाची गरज आहा गार्बेजच्यो. आदी हे सगळें केल्लें आमी. आनी देर वॉज इफेक्टीव कलेक्शन हॅपनिंग फ्रॉम 2015 to 2021. तुम्ही पळयात, आदले व्हिडिओ पळयात तुम्ही. भरपूर फायनी मारप चालू आसल्यो बाय म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाचो जो हे आहा आमचो चीफ ऑफिसर. प्रत्येक विलेज पंचायतीचो सेक्रेटरीक हें दिल्लें, टार्गेट्स दिल्ल्यो की तुमी तुमच्या वाठारान जितके हॉटेलां आहा ते सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट दिता वा ना, ते वेस्ट व्हरून खंय डंप करता जाल्यार तितून भितर कोणाचें बील मेवलें जाल्यार ताका समजा चलान दिवप, म्हणजे त्या हॉटेलाक चलान दिवप. अशें कितके म्हयन्यान तुमी चलानां काडली अशें मुख्यमंत्री हिसाबतालो, अशें आमचे ऑफिस हिसाबताले. हांव मंत्री जालें काय हांव हिसाबतालो. आमचो जो ऑफिसर आसलो, नोडल ऑफिसर फॉर वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट, एक टायमार संजीत रॉड्रिक्स आहलो, लेविन्सन मार्टिन आहलो, तेजे कडेन मुख्यमंत्री जातालो, कितली जाले वेस्टा वयले गार्बेजाची चलनां कितली जाली, जो इलिगली लिटरिंग वेस्ट इन पब्लीक एरियाज कितले जाली. आयज खंय तरी आमी फाटी उरलेले आहा ह्या हितून, आनी हितून आयज कोणाचे तरी मरण जाले. Somebody has committed suicide. Young boy has committed suicide. We are very sad. And I am appealing to our younger youth, boys and girls, do not take your life for such small things. And especially do not get totally engrossed and involved in social media. Because all the things which are there on social media is not true. A lot of things are falsely put over there. Lot of stories which are coming in social media are fake. Lot of contents are fake. Some are AI generated. So people should not totally think that आता मी पहिले अरे हे कितें जालें, आपले नांव पिड्यार जालें, आपल्याक कितें तरी जालें, आता कितें करूं, I cannot face people, I cannot face public. It is a temporary phase of your life. Just in 2 days people will forget. You try to do something good. If something wrong has happened, you correct it and try to do something good. Post that reel on social media that you have collected so much of waste and you have filled them in the bag now. I'm waiting for Mapsa Municipal Council truck to come and collect this waste. Yes, I had done something wrong on one day by throwing the waste somewhere or whatever it is. I've collected now. Our life is very precious. It's given by God. Only God can take it away. We cannot commit suicide. Younger boys and girls, they sometimes fail in subjects. They sometimes fail in SSC, 12th, graduation. आपल्याक उणे marks पडले. I should have got distinction, but I got second class. Why? I cannot face people now. I'll commit suicide. These are all wrong things. What is coming in the minds of younger generation, younger boys and girls. I appeal to all the boys and girls. You follow your dreams. If you are not successful this time, you will be successful next time. You continue doing good work. You continue doing your goal. Means what goal you want to reach. You follow your goal. You follow your path. You follow your dream, and you will be successful. This is what is my suggestion to our younger boys and girls who want to come up in life. And do not get carried away by social media, by news channels, by newspapers, which will bring you in dark for some time. But it will change.
अशी मागणी जाता की ते PI आणि जर PSI कोण असलं त्यांचेर कारवाई करची म्हणून.
See, a boy has lost life. It is very disturbing and it is very sad that the immediate family is disturbed. पण ते भुरगो म्हाका दिसता मॅच्युअर्ड भुरगो, हुशार भुरगो, इतलो हो बारीक पोस्ट आनी केस जाली म्हणून तेणें तशें इतले व्हडलो स्टेप घेवंक पारनासलो. इट इज नॉट समथींग एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. यू हॅव टू फेस लायफ. You have to face reality of life. No matter what comes on you, you have to face it. You have to change that narrative. Whatever is happening today, एक तुजो तुवें नरेटिव्ह घेवन फुडें वचपाची गरज आहा. हें कितें जालां पळय तें विसरोंक जाय. सो तेणें ह्या फुडें तरी आमचे यंग जनरेशन भुरगे जे आहा तेंच्यांनी एक आपलो लायफाचो फुडें आपूण कितें करतलो, आपूण कोण जावंक सोदता, हे बारीक बारीक पोस्ट येयले सोशल मिडियाचेर तेणें आपले जीव प्राण सोडूंक जायना वो दिवपाक जायना. यू कॅनॉट कमीट सुसायड ऑन सच स्मॉल थिंग्स. I believe those are very, very small things in life. You have to be very strong enough. You have to be bold. You have to have that courage to face reality. Here, मातशें खंय तरी हो भुरगो फाटी उरलो to face reality, face challenge.